Remember when you told me you believe in something and you said you're done pretending that fate is patient.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video. If you are new around here, my name is Whitney and I am a stay-at-home mom to 2 toddlers, and I do a lot of cleaning and organization videos here on my channel, so I would love it if you guys would subscribe. So in today's video, I'm going to be decluttering a few areas in my house, and then you guys will see me doing kind of like an after dark clean with me. So I hope this motivates you guys to get some cleaning done, and let's just jump right into it. So I'm going to be starting out in my master bathroom. I really needed to declutter our linen closet. The sheets and towels are just kind of all over the place. There's stuff on the floor, things that just didn't belong in there anymore. So I'm going to go through and clear all out and just make this linen closet a little bit more practical and functional. And a little disclaimer for y'all, a couple of these clips were filmed on different days, so you will see quite a few of outfit changes in this video, so just ignore that.
Summer's end, and you feel that this is your beginning. Well, colors fade, but it's okay. There is good in changes. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim. And come back when you're older. Go catch the storm within your broken bones and be wild, 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 wild.
So now that the linen closet is done and it's all organized, I'm gonna move into my son's closet. You guys, this thing is just destroyed. There are just so many things going on in this closet, and it really just needed to be cleaned out. He had random toys and books thrown in his closet. He had clothes on the floor, snacks, and like diapers and all kinds of random stuff on the floor in here. So I am going to start by taking everything out of his closet except for the clothes that are hanging and the little chair that we have in there. You guys are probably wondering why we have a rocking chair in there. It's because we do plan on having more children, and there isn't really anywhere practical to put this chair, so we just stuck it in his closet, and right now it is working perfectly for us.
No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Blow my mind with a warning. You digging deep within me. I feel obsessed. I can't help myself falling into the widest ocean again, again. Can't forget. You got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Convinced.
So now that I have everything out of the closet, when I was looking at everything, I realized that there wasn't really too much to declutter. Everything just really needed to be organized because I ended up putting almost everything back into this closet. It's amazing what a few storage bins can do for a space. So you'll just see me putting some clothes into a trash bag. He is starting to outgrow some clothes, but we do like to keep them again in case we have more children. And so I'm putting them all in this trash bag so that we can throw it up into our crawl space and save it for a later time. And then I had a few leftover storage cubes from the little organizer I had gotten from his room. So I'm just going to use those to store some like miscellaneous items that really needed to stay in his closet but didn't really have a place.
You feel me, your body wrapped around me, good and strange. You got me looked upon it, you and me. Got me losing sleep, I am in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke.
And now that the declutter of his closet is all done, it looks so good. It's amazing how this transformation turned out, and I am very impressed that you can walk into his closet now.
It's quite a lonely world that
so the last space that I'm going to be decluttering in this video is our junk drawer. And we have quite a few of these in our house, but this is like the main one that we have in our kitchen. It has all of our little tools and scissors and pens and notepads and batteries and just all kinds of stuff are in here. And of course you get the occasional toy that ends up in there, whatever else. So I'm going to start by taking everything out of the drawer so I can lay it all out in front of me. And then you'll see me vacuuming it out and then just kind of putting stuff back in here and then taking some stuff upstairs, and then some of it was trash as well.
I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. You, I could never let you go. I'm not so sure you believe me, but if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
moving into the cleaning portion of the video, I'm going to start out by doing some laundry. I have been really making it a goal of mine this year to do a load of laundry every day, if not every other day, and I swear by it, you guys. I really think it helps keep the laundry mountains away. Of course, there's an occasional time when the kids are sick or we're busy and the laundry tends to pile up, but for the most part, this has been working really well for our family.
I can't stay here because I need to dance. Jump around and show them how I move. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring up a drink, I'm calling shawty. I'm gonna find a crowd so I can put it on me. Swinging from the chandeliers, I won't be sorry. I got a feeling I'm gonna crash into this party. I'm just an accident waiting to happen like.
So now it is later in the day when you guys are seeing this. It's nighttime, the kids are in bed, and so now I'm gonna do a little after dark clean with me, and I'm gonna start out in the kitchen and disinfect the kids' little table. They've been loving sitting here and like eating their lunch and their breakfast and their snacks. It's been really great having it in the kitchen instead of the playroom, so you will just see me doing that. And then, of course, what is a cleaning video without some dishes, because it never fails. And of course, this was after dinner time, so I did have a couple of dishes to do.
Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring up a drink, I'm calling shawty. I'm just an accident waiting.
Once all the dishes are done, I'm just going to clean out the sink, and my favorite way to do this is using my Lysol multi-purpose spray and a little bit of dish soap.
I think I have too much to process, and I've been feeling kinda hopeless. I know I'm not supposed to feel this way. I know it's been a while since I held you in my arms. And I wasn't ready yet to learn how to live without you. How could I let you go when I am still in love with I'm still in love with you.
So this is going to be a little bit different for y'all. I'm going to be cleaning off the top of my fridge. I had these plants on here and I was just sick of looking at them. They were starting to skyrocket and it was just a lot that was up on top of our fridge. So I actually moved all of that into the playroom, and then I went ahead and cleaned off the whole top of our fridge as well. that is all done, I'm just gonna go through and wipe down all of the countertops, and then I'm gonna be cleaning off our kitchen table as well.
I've been trying to change my mindset, but I'll admit I'm not that good at it. Not one day goes by without me thinking about you, 'cause it's been so long since I held you in my arms. And I wasn't ready yet to learn how to live without you. How could I let you go when I am still in love with you? I'm still in love with you. I'm still in love with you. 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 Still in love with you.
So now I'm gonna move into our living room, and it was a little bit messy, but not too insane, at least for me. There was just toys and blankets and things like that on the floor, so I'm just gonna go through and pick everything up, and then I am gonna run the vacuum cleaner in here, and I really don't like doing that at night because I don't want to wake the kids up, but there were crumbs everywhere, so I really needed to do that. And then after I am done vacuuming, I'm actually gonna go through and spot clean my couch. You guys know I love to do this every couple of days to get any snot or like random spots that end up on the couch. It works perfectly for my family.
Oh, I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, tell me smile for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't say that. Ain't gonna leave.
Anyways, you guys, that is going to be it for this declutter and clean with me. I hope that y'all enjoyed it and it gave you some motivation for your Tuesday evening. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all in my next one.
Explode every time you go and slam the door. Adore how we always end up on the floor.